Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming your TCL TV supports Android TV or has Chromecast built in, so Chrome can connect. Once done, make sure your TV and the device with Chrome are on the same Wi-Fi network. Launch Chrome on your phone or laptop and sign into the account you want to use. If you prefer direct input, plug in a USB keyboard or pair a Bluetooth keyboard to the TV now. That gets you ready to cast or access Chrome functions without delay. Now you'll choose how to run Chrome on the TCL. If your TV supports Chromecast, open Chrome, tap the cast icon, pick your TCL, and send a tab or media stream. This mirrors Chrome while preserving browser controls. If you have Android TV, you can sideload the Chrome APK or use the TV's browser. Sideloading gives full Chrome features but requires developer options and an APK file. Also, check TV display settings to match to finish, test browsing, video playback, and keyboard input to confirm everything works smoothly. If casting or loading pages is slow or fails, reboot the TV and your router and make sure the TV firmware and Chrome are up to date. If problems persist, try wired Ethernet for a stable connection or reauthorize your Google account on the TV. These steps clear common issues and get you back to browsing. If you still have trouble, note the symptom and retry the specific step you changed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.